guess who's back? Guess who's back? It's your girl Chocolate Swag. I'm back with another video and I'm super excited about this one because I have been doing some home improvement around the house and I am doing two major projects for my backyard. I am super duper excited. When I say major projects, they are literally major. They are big, like big in size and just big wow factor. I'm super hyped to take you along on this journey with the revamping of my backyard. It is going to be the DIY backyard oasis. I'm super pumped up about this. Some of these ideas I have been wanting to do with my backyard for a few years now, so it's finally the time and I am ecstatic. So y'all, come along with me while I run to Home Depot and Lowe's and probably Big Lots, and let's see what I'm getting into. I'm not going to tell you guys right now, but when I start doing it, you're going to see, and then I want y'all to guess down in the comment box below if you know what I'm doing. All right, y'all, let me head to the car, and I will see you when we get to the store. Peace. All right, guys, I stopped to take a break, and I just wanted to say I know that I told y'all I was taking you guys to the store with me to see me pick up everything I needed. I had every intention of recording, but it was super busy in there because it is a holiday weekend. A holiday is on Monday, and on top of that, the whole chaotic, they're only allowing a certain amount of people in the store at the time. And I just wanted to be in and out because it was starting to get busy and I just wanted to grab what I needed and go. I went back there and I raked up all... Hi, handsome. I went back there and I didn't rake, actually. I used the blower and it sucked up all the leaves and it mulched them. So I got that done, and then I am putting the water in my pond now so I can treat the water and get ready for some fish in a few days. So that's what I'm doing next, and I'm going to do that now so that I can finish cleaning the rest of the backyard and then decorating. I don't want to wait until everything's done to do that because the water does need to take time to prepare for my fish. So we're going to go out there and I'm going to fill up the water and I'll be back. What a wreck. This is how my backyard is looking right now. Super discombobulated and messy. I do have some storage bins and some trash bags back here, and they have my deck pillows and deck cushions in there. We took up the grass years ago and put down pea gravel, and then on this side we have a faux grass outdoor rug and a bench. It looks a mess right now, but I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. It will be an outdoor oasis. Hey guys, I'm back. I got my infamous scarf on. I did not really get to record yesterday because I did not set up my tripod and my camera, but I am going to do some recording today of this project that I'm working on in my backyard. So let's get into the video. As you saw in my last clip, I filled up the pond with water. Don't worry, I'll give you all an in-depth view of the pond. Right now, I'm going to be using my J-shaped hooks to hang up my PVC pipe, and that is how I will have my outdoor curtains. I'll be using a total of 6 J hooks to hang up my outdoor curtains. It wasn't filmed, but shortly after this clip, I did end up getting hurt. So guys, the hammer fell and hit me in the face. It fell 8 feet off of the ladder. When I went to move the ladder, I forgot the hammer was up there. So when I moved the ladder, it fell. It hit me in the face, and that is it for today. I'm not gonna do anything else. I need to ice my face and just lay down. And I didn't lose any teeth, but around my mouth is swollen and the bone is really sore, so I need to make sure it's not fractured or anything like that. But that's it for now. Obviously I've been crying, so I look a mess, but that's it for today. We're not gonna do anything else with the backyard or anything because I'm just in a lot of pain and I'm over it right now. So stay tuned. Sometime this week, hopefully I'm able to get back out there and finish. It took about a week for the swelling to go down. I'm still a little tender and sore, but I am back in the backyard, just clearing up some things, moving them out the way. I did start to set up my fire pit. I bought 30 pavers and I did 3 rows of 10 all in a circle. So now right here I am taking square pavers and I'm trying to make a design around the fire pit just to give it a little more character. I believe I used 16 to 18 pavers, and I am just mapping out different designs to see what the final look would look like. So I'm bringing you guys in on a different view so you can try and see how the design is coming together. And I'm just taking some of this dirt and moving it out of my way. I was going for almost like the shape of a sun, how it has the circle in the middle and then the rays all around. That is what my idea was in my head. I'm hoping and praying that you guys can see it starting to come together. So I'm finished shoveling all this big mound of dirt out my way, and this flower pot filled with that gravel was super heavy, but I got it out the way as best as I could, and now I'm just sweeping some of the gravel back in place. Now that that mound of dirt is out of my way, I'm going to try and finish out mapping out my design just to get an idea of what it looks like and to see if I really like it before I make it final. So right here, I'm just trying to use my leveler almost as a ruler to make sure that each side is straight and that everything that is on one side lines up and matches with the other side. So I'm just going to move some of these pavers over a little bit just so it can match up with the opposite side. Everything appears to look pretty decent, so I'm wrapping up for the day, and this is it for part 1 of my backyard oasis.